This is my very old camcorder that my mom got in August of 2001. It's the Sony Handycam Vision Video High 8 CCD TRV98 and TSC with a 560 times digital zoom steady shot. Fortunately, there's been some problems with this camcorder. The problem is though is that first the battery that you see here is completely dead and it cannot be recharged. Second, the recharger cord is a bit slight damaged, possibly for twisting and all this. And third, the tape compartment won't close. It won't close though. So well, let me turn on and you'll know. It displays a ejector thing and a number C3111. Lucky for me, I have my manual. According to the manual, it says a malfunction other than the above that you can service has occurred. There seems to be a malfunction, so I'll probably have to either send it to a Sony thing to have it fixed, or I may have to dispose it because I have some old footages on my tape, on my old camcorder tape though, that I've been using since 2001 up until last year when my old camcorder was eventually damaged. So because I need to like place my old footages from this tape onto my VHS tape, because I didn't add any footages on my blank tape as well. Although I wish I would have done it, but I didn't get a chance to somehow. So I was just trying to find a way to possibly transfer these footages onto the disc before disposing it. Just like I said, these are pretty old. By the way, this tape you see here is basically not an original one. I have the original one in a bag. See, this is the original tape, the original camcorder tape. So I'll probably need to possibly go to a flea market and get a replacement one, or I either send this old camcorder back to Sony and get it fixed, or I may have to go to a flea market and get a used one and replace this one, because this camcorder I had since 2001, it started to have problems, like started around 2004, then all the way up to last year when it stopped working. That is all.